everyone, I am Kamlesh Kahar and I am student at Sayok College of IT and Management Studies. Today I am going to introduce a software which is Student Information System. This software is created by me and my team. Basically we created this software because you all know in schools, colleges and universities there are lots of students. So to manage their data it is a bit difficult task with paperwork. That is why we created this software to make it very simple. Suppose you want a detail of particular student out of 1000 students. So with paperwork it is bit difficult task to find the detail of particular students. But with this software you can just easily find the detail by just entering its roll number or its name. This software is created by using Java and the database we used is MySQL. So let's come to the software. Guys, as you can see on the screen, this is the first page of our software, and you can also see the Sayok College name on top because we made this software for our college. So let's log in first. I'm entering the password and let's log in. Okay, this is the main menu of our software, and from here you can add the student record, delete the student record and update the student record and see all the student records. So let's check them one by one. First I'm going to add the record. This is like a form and in which we have to enter the student records manually, and you can see the roll number which is automatically generated. We made it automatic because the roll number of student should not be repeated and it should be unique for each student. Also we have done the validation of this form, like whenever you left any field empty and trying to save the form, but it will not going to save, and your phone number should be 10 digit and the email syntax should be correct. We also added an option for picture identity of student, so it will also going to save. Now let me fill the form quickly. I entered all the record. Now click on the save button. So record is successfully saved now. To see that record, I'm going to click on student list. See the last record, roll number 105, which I added recently. So you can see the record is added successfully. We also added a feature like whenever we register any student, then one confirmation email got sent to his phone to check whether the entered details are correct or not. You can see that email on your screen. Let's check next module, which is delete student record. Now it is asking for the roll number of that student. To delete that record, let's enter the roll number 105 which we have added recently. Click on delete. You can see the record is deleted successfully from the database. Let's check if the record is deleted or not. So you can see the roll number 105 whole record is deleted from the database. Now come to the next module, search by roll number. With this module you can get the whole record of a student on your screen. Let's say 103. So the record of 103 is shown on your screen. You can see the record of that student with his photo. Now click on back to main menu. Let's check one more module, that is update record. You can use this module for updating the record of particular student if required. Now I'm going to update the record of 103. So you can see on the screen all the fields are now editable. So let's change the address of this student. Now click on save button. So it's updated successfully. And guys, if you want to change your login password of this software, you can also change. Just click on change password. Now it is asking for the current password. So let's enter that password and click on proceed button. Now you can change your password by entering your new password here. Now click on change password. So your password is successfully changed. Guys, hope you like this software, and if you have any suggestion for this software to implement something more in it, you can definitely tell me. Thank you guys.